Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage ANC and transparency mode on your headphones Redmi Buds 4 Pro. You have to start by open the application and now put both of your headphones to your ears to connect it to manage noise cancelling. So just now click on it or press and hold on your earbuds, and now let's work with the noise cancelling. We have 3 presets. Balanced, it's something with middle, light and deep. Choose the best one for you, or you can also click on adaptive noise cancelling and it will be changed automatically. And let's go to transparency mode, and also we have 2 presets here. It's just regular or enhance voice. If you want to listen your voice more louder, you choose this one, and if you don't want, just use regular. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.